Hello friends, this is Vaishnavi. You are watching Satya Agni News Studio. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has said that he will focus on the development of the infrastructure for the protection of environment as well as the development of Mumbai in a planned manner. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray inaugurated one lane of MMRDA's Kalanagar Junction flyover in Bandra, groundbreaking of BKC cycle track and footpath and a smart park of Shivdi to Borli elevated रोड प्रोजेक्ट. मेयर किशोरी पेडनेकर, अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर मिस्टर एकनाथ शिंदे, ट्रांसपोर्ट मिनिस्टर अनिल पारब, स्किल डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर मिस्टर नवाब मलिक, एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर मिस्टर आदित्य ठाकरे, लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन प्रवीण धारेकर, एमएलए जीशान सिद्दीकी, एमएलए डॉक्टर मनीषा काइंदे, एमएलए सुरेश सरवानकर, एमपी राहुल शेवाले एंड MMRDA मेट्रोपॉलिटन Commissioner R.A. Rajiv, Additional Metropolitan Commissioner K.H. Govindraj and other senior officials were present. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray said that the planned development of Mumbai will be given more emphasis. MMRDA's infrastructure function are challenging, they are also commendable. Traffic problem in Mumbai is increasing day by day. This needs to be addressed smartly. For this, parking will have to be arranged in a modern way, with an emphasis on the public transport system. It will also be important to see how it can be affordable for all. In a city like Mumbai, cycling is still prevalent today, requiring a separate track. While doing all these development works, Shri Thackeray said that emphasis is also being laid on protecting the environment. Shri Eknath Shinde, Minister of Urban Development and President of MMRDA, said that these are important infrastructure projects in Mumbai. This will significantly improve transportation. This will save time and money. These projects connecting Mumbai and Nai Mumbai as well as Regat district will be important. Apart from these infrastructure work, MMRDA also established a large COVID center during the COVID crisis. It is worth mentioning that Shri Shinde said that all the projects of MMRDA are progressing fast. Environment Minister Shri Aditya Thackeray said that the ongoing infrastructure works of MMRDA in Mumbai are challenging because many of these tasks are taking place in densely populated areas. Emphasis is being laid on the rehabilitation of migrants in the region. Special plans are being made to improve the transport system. The latest technology and facilities are being used for this. Sidewalks are important for walkers. It is also being constructed. Cycle tracks will also be installed. Shri Thackeray said that all these infrastructure are being set up to protect the environment so that citizens can experience ease of living. In the introduction, MMRDA's Metropolitan Commissioner R.A. Rajiv said that the work in all these projects to be set up by MMRDA would be of international standard and unique. MMRDA Additional Metropolitan Commissioner Dr. K. Govindraj thanked.
अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले इसे सब्सक्राइब कर ले, साथ में रेड कलर के बेल आइकन को दबाएं, जिससे कि रोजाना देश विदेश की खबरें आप तक पहले पहुंच सके। साथ में आप अपने सुझाव को हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में भी लिख सकते हैं और इसे ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें।